If you had a female voice, which singer would you be?
No doubt, Shreya Ghoshal. I
Yes.
just love her. I just love her.
Hi guys, my name is Kaval Sethi and you are watching Celebrity Talks with Kaval. Today's guest is a talented singer, composer, and a music producer. His debut album, Purvaya, was featured in a Rolling Stone magazine and has gotten critical acclaims at various international music festivals. Please welcome the amazingly talented Udit Saxena. Hi Udit, how are you doing?
I am doing great, Kaval. How are you?
All
I think
well.
I hope I pronounced your name
Yes,
correctly.
actually, Kaval. Okay, so before we begin, I always wanted to ask this question to a singer. Would you rather lose your ability to sing or ability to listen to music?
They both are correlated. If I lose ability to listen, I'll definitely lose ability to sing.
That's
Yeah.
very true. So,
So
I usually start my interview with, by asking, how did you start this journey? But, for you, I know you are an IT engineer and now a musician. So, my question for you is, do you think it is necessary to study engineering to find your passion?
I get it why you're asking it, but it's really very important to study, not to find your passion. But engineering has helped me in many ways. Definitely, the main reason I believe I was in engineering is to quit it. So, yeah, it's necessary. It's actually necessary because
To have a basic education, and so at least you'll be like, people can relate, like, you're an educated and still.
no, that's a part, but engineering is a course. Actually, it's not just a course; it's a journey, and you get to explore yourself. आपको एक पूरा path पता लगता है what you want to do. I was very curious to be an engineer itself. I was not sure कि whether I'll go full-time musician or not. I was into engineering. Then by the end of final year, then let's leave everything and I'll go and become a producer, music producer. So this is
Lovely.
how.
Lovely. So you have worked on many original songs like Dil Fakira, Kamal Kare Tu, Khamoshi, etc. So how does this process looks like to an outsider? Someone who is not a musician. For example, like Khamoshi, your inspiration for that song. Writing the song and the overall process. So please tell us more about it.
Khamoshi. Okay. Khamoshi, Khamoshi is not actually a song. It's a state of mind. That song, if I think you must have read about it, it's a song based on depression, and it's
Correct.
not actually based on depression. It's from the perspective of a person who's fighting depression. So the main inspiration came. The song didn't just we didn't just write it. If you know, there's a band called Linkin Park. So
Yes.
I'm a huge fan of Linkin Park. I'm such a huge fan that I have T-shirts and everything. So
Oh.
I used to listen them a lot. So their lead singer Chester Bennington, he committed suicide in 2017.
uh,
Uh, उसके पहले I was not much into mental health and everything. No, India में इतना सब कुछ we are not into mental health and education. But that moment I realized that depression is something. I got into it, and that 1 year was a learning process. By the end of 2017, I came in contact. I and my partner Mohit, we worked on the same project. We reached out many people. We had interviews, we had sessions, we had anonymous calls. So we got to know the depth of this topic and thought ki, yeah, people should know about it. Many people are creating campaigns ki depression is this that, but no one is actually portraying how the person who's depressed he or she is feeling. So this is how we proceeded with this.
That's really nice. That's really nice. And I think it's always good to talk. I think people don't talk much. So it's very
Yeah,
nice.
actually we carried out a survey, and the main problem was this only: the people were not talking because they had assumptions that no one will understand and everything.
Correct, correct, correct. Good. Okay, so music. As a musician, you usually you work with your instruments, so
Mhm.
how to make music, so how different was the shift, of a musician recording behind the scenes, recording a music video, and some of the biggest TV actors. So tell us something about it.
uh, Transition from recording to shooting, right?
Yes.
That was a horrible one actually. My first big project was Dil Fakira with Top Shot Life, and it was really a learning experience. The producer, I was not confident to be on stage. The producer of the song, Vinay Singh, he insisted me, and he was like confident कि तू कर लेगा, मुझे मालूम है तू कर लेगा. So I was just, okay, let's try it. I went on set, and it was all new, like camera, set, and everything. I did make some videos, but I was not into this grand level of production, like uh, TV industry directors, crews, and everything. So that was a very big, learning process.
Okay, that's nice. Good you have learned, and so we can able to hear so many good songs from your side. Okay, so let's play a game. Let's play a game. I'm gonna ask you some questions, and you need to tell me the song names. Whatever comes to your mind. So,
Okay.
for example, I'll say your childhood.
My childhood. तो चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त. I used to listen. I know actually my mom used to like this song, so she used to play it all the time on cassettes. So I
Okay,
remember
yes.
this song a lot. So that's
Okay.
that's kind of first song I remembered.
Oh, that's nice. Two cheese. So your thought of the day.
Thought of the day song.
Yes.
Hezunu from the movie New York.
Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of pumping,
Correct. Your main inspiration.
My main inspiration, A.R. Rahman, sir.
You need to tell me a song.
Sorry? Song. Roja titled.
Yeah,
Roja Jane Man.
beautiful.
Yeah.
So who are you listening to right now?
Right now, I'm listening to Pakistani artists. There's a band called Bayan, and there's an artist called Saad Sultan. I am in love with these two creations. So they are creating such amazing content. So I'm right now listening to them.
If you had a female voice, which singer would you be?
No doubt, Shreya Ghoshal.
Yes.
I just love her.
True. And which musician would you like to collaborate with?
Okay. Actually, there are a lot of musicians I would love to collaborate, but one I'd like to take two names, KK and Sonny. They are like my dream artists to collaborate with.
Actually, the game was you need to tell me the song's name, but you have answered, your thought process with us. So thank you so much for that. But now, as a penalty, you need to sing a song for us.
Okay, sing a song for us. I prepared setup because I know at some point you'll ask me to sing. Okay, I'll sing my song if
yes, please.
You might have heard. Koi barish sa, because it's raining all around.
So. It's all over.
देखो ख्वाब तेरे समझ में बस गया तू ऐसे बूंद जैसे दिल में कर गया तू कोई लफ्ज बाकी ना तुझको कर बया दूं पूछे हाल मेरा कोई आशिक मैं सुना दूं बहती हवाओं सा तू मुझको मिला लम्हा है एक पल का है तू सदा बारिश सा छुआ मुझे तू पहली मोहब्बत से मुझे तू हाँ कोई बारिश सा छुआ मुझे तू कितनी नजाकत से
Amazing. That's so nice. Thank you so much. Okay, so now another thing, okay? Now, whatever comes to your mind, the first song which comes to your mind, okay?
Okay.
It's all about your moods, okay? So I'll give
Alright.
you a like, happy, romantic, sad, or something like that. So you have to tell me which songs comes to your mind, okay? So when you're happy.
Okay. That's
So when you're
interesting.
happy.
When I'm happy, when I'm happy, when I'm happy, when I'm happy, I listen to a bhajan. It's called A Sundar Sham. It's a really beautiful bhajan.
Yes.
So I listen to that mostly.
And if you're feeling romantic.
Feeling romantic, romantic. Tum Mile.
Oh, yes, that's all-time
That
favorite.
that love reprise version. I love that one.
And when you are sad.
A Mohabbat. A Mohabbat, the Ustad Raza Ali Khan version. It's with the Saat Sultan I told you, no,
Yes,
artist.
yes.
They recreated, so I listened to that particular version.
And this one, I think everybody wants to know when you have a heartbreak.
When I have a heartbreak, okay, let me from the movie Chef Tere Mere Darmiya. It's
Oh,
unplugged.
yes.
Sun mere khuda itni si hai meri dua.
And when you are lonely.
Linkin Park in the end.
And when you're angry.
Also Linkin Park, Burn It Down, Shade of the Day. There are a lot of songs. Linkin Park is a specific artist I listen to.
Last but not the least, so when you have tension or anxiety, so which song you like to listen to?
Okay, it's again a bhajan. It's again by the legendary Gaurav Kishore Acharya ji. It's called Meri Mazdar Mein Dole Naiya. Because I have graduated from Mathura, so I have a strong connection with Krishna bhajans. So I used to listen a lot. Yeah.
So that's calm and comfort.
Yeah. That's a different vibe.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm sure you must be having one of your favorite singers. So who tell us who's your favorite singer, and if you can sing 2 lines of that song.
My favorite singer is no doubt KK. And yeah, it's my most covered song. Actually, I've covered it almost 4 or 5 times and deleted it every time. दर्द में भी ये लब मुस्कुरा जाते हैं, बीते लम्हे हमें जब भी याद आते हैं, संगीत के वास्ते भी सही मुस्कुरा कर कि मुझे जिंदगी तेरी आगोश में दिन तेरी
Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Thank you so much, Udit, for coming to our show. It's been a pleasure having you. Thank you so much
for having me. I actually enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you will not miss any new updates. Thank you.